Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. Welcome to the TGIF. Thank God it's Friday, New Age Wall Street live stream, guys. Hope everyone's doing well. I woke up, so day before last, I had oh, I couldn't sleep well. And then last night I finally slept. You know, when you sleep like really good and really deep, and then you like, uh, then you like, had to take a drink. Sorry, guys. Then you're even more tired because you slept so well. Kind of feel like that today. So, nevertheless, though, we will be trading here together, guys. We'll have some laughs. We'll have some cries. We will have a good time. And hopefully we make some money while we do it. But I hope everyone's well. I don't have any announcements this week. I'm still waiting on the stupid merchandise stuff. They said they shipped it. I don't know where it's at, to be honest, guys. Like, something's up with the mail because I've also ordered some stuff personally for me, and I haven't received it either. So, like some stuff from my motorcycle and stuff, and I haven't gotten it either. So, awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and flip here, guys, into some tickers. All right, cool. And if you haven't, if you guys are a new watcher, um, please leave me a like, a subscribe. We hit, oh, that's a good announcement. Let's go ahead and go back to that just real quick. So we did get to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So appreciate all you guys that subscribe and watch the videos. All the watch time. It's crazy to see like the watch time that's on there. We get like a dashboard to be able to see all of it. And then whenever like I do like a live stream, it'll say like 2 days of watch time. Just mind blowing, dude. Like as much as is on there. The volume is low. Is that better? I don't know how to turn it up. Is that better? I don't know. We're gonna roll with it. Um, all right, guys. So then we got um. So here, so yeah, so 1,000 subscribers, guys. I'm really excited about it. YouTube has some rules about monetization and stuff. So waiting to get approved on that, and that'll be cool because YouTube will be like its own thing and pay for itself for going forward. So pretty excited about that. Alberto, good morning, bro. You're early today. Um, so real quick, let's go ahead and do roll call. We'll go ahead and get in the tickers. Alberto, Ashen, Blaze, Santiago, JB, good morning, guys. Mateo, what up? NFX, new and improved. Pedro, good morning. Aces, good morning. Richard, Richie, Roger, Clay Sanchez, and Skips, I hear, Vinny. Morning, guys. Um, so, as far as like tickers and stuff for this week, guys, if you come back over here, the, um, the, it's been kind of a rough week if we go over back up, and not necessarily rough as far as like money wise, just like we haven't really gotten too much of a trend and too much going on. So we're in, this is Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So we had this little move here on Monday, which was nice, and then after that we kind of just went sideways. The move was after pre-market sideways. Move was out there hours there, and sideways. And yesterday we got finally we got a nice trend downwards towards the middle of the day. So what I was explaining, dude, I don't like that the camera is cuts part of my head off. There we go. That's a little better, I guess. Um, all right, and so Yesterday we were talking about, and if you guys tuned into the Stockcast last week, we were talking about the gap right here, the little gap between this like 320, 3. Let me see. Like yeah, this between there and like 330 or so, and so I was expecting it to close a lot more quickly, a lot more violently whenever we broke like the 323, and we got up here towards like 327, 328, and it just said heck no, no way, and we're back down here towards this middle. So if anything, we may just chop around here today. If not, then I told the guys I'm probably a little bit more bearish on the market pulling back, even maybe down to like 310, 310-ish level, if not 300. So to come back down here, so it'll take some time. But if if it's not catalyst driven, but that's what we are looking at there. Um, so with that, this week we had Tesla earnings, which is really cool to watch. This is their fourth quarter consecutive quarter of profits, I guess, and so they beat, but then we're just way too far extended, and we came back down. I nailed this here towards the top at 1660, but I missed the most of this move right here, and it sucks. So, um, all right, so there's that. As far as like on Tesla, today, what we're gonna do, we have like this neckline here where that it's at right now, this uh, 1430 or so right here. If we get back further than that, we're gonna go further down. So you can see right here where all this volume was done. So this is gonna be your level at around the 1300, where your profit target would be for it to come down this 1385. So that's like 100 points right there. If we could get a pop in for it to fade further down, to come back down where all this volume was done here, this compression consolidation. So keep that on watch if we keep on coming further down, and then so I'm mostly bearish on everything. So I'm writing bearish as the down ticker. So all right, is anyone watching the small cap MIST? That was bullshit what it did to yesterday. So yeah, this thing still has some room to go up, guys. So $12 is the next stop for that one. But let's see here. So Netflix, honestly, guys, Netflix actually showed a little bit of relative strength yesterday. It didn't get dragged down as hard as like Tesla did. Some other tickers. So this one has the support right here at this 470-ish level. The next stop is going to be this 457, 460 area. So if it could continue going down, but it moves a lot slower than what Tesla does, doesn't have quite as much range as it does. So just something to keep in mind. Then the other one is, you guys know I like playing Amazon on Fridays. All right. I actually just got an email that says, New Age Wall Street, congrats, 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. That's funny that we were just talking about it, and then it puts it watch. I don't know if you guys could see, but it's pretty cool. Um, no, I remember like having like starting, I think with like zero, dude. Like, and I didn't have any friends that supported me. Like, I didn't tell any friends. That's on you guys, bro. That's on you guys that support and everything. So I appreciate you guys. Um, so I just saw this huge uphill battle, and I was like, I'm never gonna get there. And like I said, I didn't really share it with my friends or social media to say like, hey, come help me out, guys. So it's all organic, which I'm really proud of. Yeah, we're on YouTube today. Sorry, bro. Um, All right, so same thing here on YouTube, or excuse me, on Amazon. So Amazon, we're at this neckline area right here, guys. So this 29.36, this is actually going to probably be my main watch here because it's at this support level, and then we have a nice far way to come down this 2800. So that's like 150 points or something like that. So that is definitely going to go on my list over here. And then the other, so there's two more that had really good slide offs yesterday. So first one was Nvidia. This was a really nice move here. Just fell off a cliff yesterday. Still at the support. The next level is going to be around right here, this 385. So about $10, which you could squeeze out of their nice little wallet pattern. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in here. And thank you guys. Thank you, Sanjeev. Skip. So yeah, so Nvidia, and then the last one is Facebook here real quick, guys. Oops, I put it over there. So Facebook. So you guys know that Facebook does not want to come up to this 250 again. Like I've been trying to get it to break right here, and honestly, we have this room down to this 223 or so, 225. So if we get a little pop here, it should give us some decent range to come further down. So keeping that here. Is there any other tickers you guys want to go over? Morning, Josh, Blaze. I know, dude. I'm really pumped about the monetized, dude. Another stream of income to. Honestly, like if YouTube could just pay for itself, dude. Like like all the. I actually just bought like a bunch of stuff for like the. I guess you call it studio stuff, like lights. I bought a bunch of lights and they were expensive, dude. I spent like $400 on the lights. Bless, what up, dude? What else did I buy? Just a bunch of like other random stuff. It wounded up coming out to being quite a bit. So if it could be self-sustaining, that would be cool, dude. I'd just like it to be that. AMD shot up to 64 after Intel's news. What do you say? Level Sir Spy today. Yeah, so like AMD. Let's see right here. Oh, so real quick, before we get into this part here, so I guess another thing here real quick, guys. So I released the mentorship program. The mentorship program is on the website right now. And so is Amazon going down right now? Oh, it is going down a little bit. I hope I get a chance at it. So I released the mentorship program. It is pretty intensive. We got a couple of people that signed up, so I am doing it with them, and it's no joke. It's not like anything else that's out there, and I could truly wholeheartedly say that, and I think that they could say that as well. It's gonna take a lot of time and effort for me to keep up with it. If you're interested, it's like I said, it's on the website. You go on there and it's a option now, and then there's also like a PDF you have to go through to make sure that you're able to keep up with everything, and that you're gonna stay committed to it, because I'm only taking people that are fucking serious about it. Like I'm not joking around. As much time as it's gonna take for me to keep up with it, I'm not gonna hold anyone's hand with it. So. But there was a bunch of people that asked for a mentorship program, so it is out there now. All right. All right. Anyways, back to our stocks. Let's take a look here on AMD, dude. Yeah. So AMD finally broke out of that 57 where it was at, bro. Like this was nuts, where it was just going sideways right here, just ranging, and then it finally broke out. And I think this thing has some more room to go, to be honest, bro. I mean, but the thing is that the market's not looking too peppy as of lately. It's AMD is actually showing some relative strength, but yeah. So we'll see if it could continue grinding up and everything. I think it also MU like it's been in play the last couple of days. There's been MU. There's been a few some flow on it the last couple of days too. And then on the SPY guys, I had a request here to go over the SPY. Um, so right here in the SPY, we're right here where all this action was done for this those couple of days, and then also in this level. So if I also zoom out, you could see that there's a big level of interest here in this area. Even if I go a lot further, so there's what was done right here in the past, and then also on the way up too. So so this is going to act as pretty good support, but I think we go further down, guys. And that's just basing off of what I see so far on my experience as the way things move. I don't see like necessarily like a pattern or like to tell me that it's gonna do it. It's just based off of what I know. So just experience. So if we get a pop up here towards this line right here, you could see that it acted as pretty good support yesterday towards this line 322, and then also red to green line, right? Probably around in this area, and then for it to come and break this 320.76, and then we'll be using the pivots down lower as profit targets. So that'll be 319.43 and then 316. So we get to 316 today, bro. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be red panty night like Conor McGregor. Thank you, Gene. Thank you. Appreciate it. Appreciate you being here. I really take it personal that you guys are here with me. So I there's some of you guys know I DM you to make sure that I'm getting everything done correctly, and I want to make sure that I'm giving you everything you need to be successful. So I hope I'm doing well. SPCE. So a couple of you said SPCE. Um, no, I don't think this thing is bullish anymore, dude. So we're also like kind of like at this neckline here as well. Right there, you can see where it came down here before at this resistance here, and then now it's support. I think we come further down here on SPCE today. So unless we get some type of something that gives a little umph to bounce, but I think we come further down here today on SPCE. Also, we got the MACD pointing down and the volatility squeezing down. So at least just a little bit, probably down here to this level, the 22.75 or so. So yes, sir. We've been pretty spot on with the SPY lately. Um, Call that it was going to go down yesterday. I don't think. I mean, it slid off pretty nice, but it just sucks. It takes it a while to pick a direction. Like it's like in the middle of the day where I'm already called it a day and stopped trading. So all right, I'm gonna sit down now. Oh shoot. Yeah, if we get a pop at the open and we hold resistance on the SPY, dude, some puts would be nice. Definitely. I could agree and concur. Trying to see if there's anything else I missed here, guys. Does anyone care about Boeing? All right, so I have the voice back here on in the Discord here, guys, too. So for those of you that don't want to get on the YouTube. Maybe an oversold bounce today. Oh, an Apple? Yeah, that would be good, dude. BIC, Microsoft BIC, and NIO. You're looking at Ford. Why is Ford up right now? Yeah, I think we may get a little bit slow too. Does it? I could see that. I could see that. You know, it's doing pretty good right here. We get above the 7-ish level right here, bro. We have some room to go. Get 750 pretty quick. Almost bought Ford on Wednesday. What's PLNT, dude? Is that like Planet Fitness? Plantronics? Yeah, Planet Fitness. Yeah, if it breaks 750, it'll definitely get going pretty good, dude. On this Planet PLNT, dude, if it breaks this area, this 55.75 or so, could definitely come back to 50. This chart's kind of. Oh, I'm looking at the weekly chart. Yeah, 50 could come down to $50, dude. Kind of an ugly chart, though. All right, guys, let's all have a great trading session. I have my timer set for my my 10 minutes. I'm gonna try not to take any positions for 10 minutes, and let's all have a great trading session. Make sure you're paying yourself and taking profits. Okay, guys. Where 14. I need to like keep talking or else it's gonna pick up the music. What's a joke? What is a joke here? Mahidi Hawk. Hey, Mahidi Hawk.
C50 calls. August 21st, 2020. 505 contracts.
I got some Tesla. I got a little bit of Tesla puts here, guys. So if we pop further up towards 1440 or so, I'll add. Oh, I bought the wrong ones, dude. I bought fucking calls, you fucking idiot.
GS. 212 calls. July 31st, 2020. 400 contracts.
I still have it, dude.
AMD.
So I just seen the setup here on
700.
Tesla though.
2020. 1,000 contracts. January 15th, 2021. 500 PFE. 40 calls. July 31st, 2020. 528 contracts.
Yeah, good calls to hear. You know what? I shouldn't have done that, to be honest, dude. Oh, look, everything's going to wind up going bullish on me.
NKLA. 34 calls. July 31st, 2020. 516 contracts. AMD. 90 calls. January 15th.
My calls are working out?
2021.
What do you
500
mean?
contracts.
Oh, I exited those calls that I accidentally got in, dude. It actually would have worked better as a dip and rip on accident, and I got out and I got puts, and now I'm getting screwed.
70 calls. August 21st, 2020. 639 contracts. PK 10 calls. December 18th, 2020. 900 contracts. AMD. 60 calls. July 31st, 2020. 1000 contracts.
So this is what I'm looking at here on Tesla. So, and it's kind of working out. So I wanted to spike up here towards this resistance, and wanted to fade further down. So at least at 1400.
UNH. 310 calls.
There we go.
July 31st, 2020. 300 TUM. 7 puts. August 21st, 2020. 500 contracts.
The market's starting to slide off right here too. So on the SPY.
August 21st, 2020. 500 contracts.
So you see we break this 320.58 area.
AMD. 70 calls. January 21st, 2022. 1,825 contracts.
Oh man,
KO.
we're looking good here on Tesla so far.
August 28th, 2020. 500 contracts. AMD. 66 calls. July 31st, 2020. 800 AMD. 80 calls. January 15th, 2021. 527 contracts.
My manager's watching too, and he texted me and said the same thing about the 10 minutes. Oh, like what happened to his 10 minutes? Uh, I saw the setup there. Like I said, I took a little bit there at the open, dude, and I thought they were puts, but they were calls, so I kind of screwed myself. So I mean, it was still to plan. Like I said, I wanted it to come up here towards this resistance line, and it did. So
INTC.
there we go. Oh my goodness.
August 21st, 2020. 500 AMD. 90 calls. January 15th, 2021.
All right, so I paid myself half right here
AMD.
on Tesla.
90 calls. January 15th, 2021. 572 contracts.
Still no trades yet. This is probably gonna be my only trade. I took a little bit more profit. So based on this support line right here, it worked freaking well, dude. But I bought calls right here instead of puts. My goal was to buy some right here, just if it did, just come down, and then add up here, and it didn't quite work like that. Yeah, dude, I got Tesla.
2020. 929.
Amazon is really nice too, dude. If you guys got Amazon. All right, so I sold a little bit more. Let's see if it starts, if it does hold this level right here. Oh man, I got rid of all of it. Never mind. Press the wrong button. That was fun. That was fun. So now what we should have here is a nice bounce. So I actually have the VWAP plotted today. Usually I don't have the VWAP here, but we should get a pretty nice bounce here towards the VWAP, towards this level, or even 1400, and then you'll get another add right here, or entry, to be able to get this to come down. So
FXI. 40 puts. August 28th, 2020. 556 contracts.
nice slide off here on the open on the SPY, guys. We're already right here at the pivot line, the pivot line right here. So dude, I screwed up those calls, bro. Like I can't believe my bad. Let me see here, bro. Yeah, so Josh, so like on this thing, dude, like
51 calls.
I don't know if you're looking at like my like a my thing here. So you got to have where you're measuring, like where you want on this type of play where your resistance is going to be. So you said it was the third candle, right?
Yes. 180
The
calls.
third green candle.
August 21st,
right here.
360
Oh, this one. So I think it's this one that you're saying. And then this little spike up got you. So if you guys could see, if you guys want my levels, like my manually drawn levels right here, guys, let me know and I'll give them to you, and we'll just, you guys could put them on your chart. But I mean, this was a manually drawn level that I have right here on on Tesla right here, and so that's why I was willing to risk off of right here to about this 1436 to 1440, where this pre-market, like where this volume in pre-market also did as well. So like if I come out, right, so there was some resistance around in this level, so I had this area right here that I wanted it to pop to, and then once it stayed below the line, once it stayed below the actual resistance line and got that spike, that was a hammer. That was a nice hammer in right there. So I averaged in. I got because I got the calls here at the open, right? So I bought a little bit right here, and then it kept on going up, and then so then I added more once it got up here. So I don't know exactly where my average was, but as far as the underline, but say we are up here like 1425 average, down to 1380. That's 25, $40, $45. But yeah, we should not get a nice, pretty nice bounce up here towards 1400. If not, the VWAP here towards at 1407 now, with the confluence of the T3 and the VWAP. And Netflix is actually showing strength, so pretty cool. Yeah, dude, it sucks, bro. It sucks.
TSLA 1,500 calls. January 15, 2021.
Ooh, someone just bought. Oh, January
232
2021.
votes. September 18, 2020. 542 contracts.
I updated the OneNote last night, guys. So like, Sahir had asked like what happened to my 10-minute roll right here, and he's absolutely right. Like, I did if I didn't like FOMO into the trade right here in the first one, I wouldn't have made that mistake of buying calls, and then wait for it to actually set up. I could have nailed this freaking perfect off of the 1430 right here. I could have been a little bit more patient to this. So my bad, dude. I'm human. Yeah, I appreciate you keeping me honest though, dude.
NVDA
Take some
1,000
um
votes.
take some courage to step up and say, hey, you said this and you didn't keep to it. So I
310
appreciate you keeping
contracts.
me honest and on top of it. And oh, bam, perfect, guys. You see this here at this exactly like we said here on
50
Tesla.
calls.
So
August
we may get like a third candle that comes up,
906
but we should come back
contracts.
and test this 1380. As long as the market kind of stays down, it doesn't start taking off all crazy.
VIDU 122
Bam,
calls.
there we go.
July 31st, 2020. 583 contracts. AAL
Very, very pretty.
11 puts. July 31st, 2020. 1,394 contracts.
So here on Netflix, guys, I'm gonna put Netflix right here next to Tesla real quick. This is up here towards the red to green line. If it can't break the red to green line, kind of like yesterday where it was at, so it couldn't break above in this area. So it's almost doing the same thing here today. It's up here towards this red to green. If it can't get above these levels and just spikes to it, you can look for puts against that red to green level here at the 477.58.
TSLA 1,420 calls. July 24th, 2020. 200 contracts. TSLX. 500 calls. August 21st, 2020. 300. AMD. 80 calls.
So you see right now it's trying to hammer at it and it's having a hard time. We may get a little bit of spike above it, but we'll see if it, maybe it'll keep on trucking there. So right here on Tesla, this is the patience part of the trade where I have to come down and break this support level. We break the support level and we're going further down. We'll probably get down to 1350s area. And there's that spike we're talking about. So see if we can stay below that 478. Some of you guys have been asking about like how to do, puts and like your short game and stuff. We're getting a good opportunity here the last 2 days to work on that. Pedro, did you get Tesla? Apple puts? Yeah, right here, dude. It's the same exact setup that's going on right now on like Tesla. So like it bounced up here towards so 361.74 is where the VWAP was. So it bounced up to the T3 and the VWAP area, and then now we should get back into a retest here to lows if the overall market tries to go on, but it's looking pretty heavy, so it's moving a little bit slower than these other ones.
INTC. 50 calls. September 18th, 2020. 500 contracts. SLD. 22 puts. September 4th, 2020. 500 T32 calls. August 21st.
There we go. And there's that break here in Tesla, guys. So I've been playing this thing since it was in the 300s, guys. So I know how this thing moves.
ACB. 13 calls. August 21st, 2020. 400.
I was bumping my gums though, and I didn't get back in.
20 puts. October 16th, 2020. 5,000. SLB. 20 puts. October 16th, 2020. 5,027 contracts.
At least today I was smart and I grabbed puts instead of selling calls like an idiot yesterday.
Baba. 240 puts. August 21st, 2020. 294 contracts.
And so that was that spike right here. So you get this huge hammer candle right here, or shooting star, whatever you want to call it, towards the red and green line here on Netflix. So you could, it's showing some, it wants to stay up though. So it's showing a little bit of strength, but we should get this pullback further down.
2020. 18,170 contracts.
Why is everyone buying silver and gold right now? Can someone educate me on the whole silver and gold thing? Like, now I hear like Robin Hooders are all buying silver and gold. Is it like a TikTok thing? Like, is it a TikTok challenge thing or?
Calls. July 31st, 2020. 572.
I am seriously up for education. Trade Freak, what up, bro? All the Fed printing money.
AMD. 2020. 1001 ADTN. 13 calls. August
Yeah, I know that part, but it's weird that I don't know. It's just I guess it's weird to see that kids are doing it. Like
145 clicks.
usually, like it's like a hedge thing for investors. You know what I mean?
IDK.
So
332 clicks. September 18, 2020. 5 TSM. 75 calls. July 24, 2020.
did you hit
4
Tesla, Richard?
340 calls. August 21st, 2020. 2,000 contracts.
Someone just bought 340 calls on the SPY, guys. There we go. And this is what you want to see here on the Netflix. So you just kind of going a little bit slowly. Once the market slowly, once the market starts sliding off again, we should get some pretty decent washes though. Also here on Netflix, or excuse me, Tesla. Like I said, we should get down to that 1350s level we were talking about in pre-market, right? Oh, we're pretty much there. We're pretty much there, dude, at this
108 calls.
1370 or
August
so.
21st, 2020.
So it may grind a little bit
5
further down, but
contracts.
we'll see. Just watching, no trading for you today. We don't have no compression plays for you today, Richard. I'm sorry. Actually, Amazon is in compression right now.
1,800 calls. October 16th, 2020. 280
Yeah, I
contracts.
mean that's way up there though. I mean we gotta get above 330 first. Dude, you're brave, bro. Really brave. I see what you're looking at there, Richard. Tesla's also in compression here off of the 1370. So, I mean, yeah, we may get a nice little bounce here to for it to go the other way, bro. Smell a rat? What do you mean, Matthew?
40 calls. August 21st, 2020. 616 contracts.
It's weird that you like going long on the descending triangles, bro. We've always argued this. We've always argued this. We're gonna be
September
we're gonna be arguing about it in the nursing home, bro.
2021. 1,050 contracts.
There we go. And that Netflix is trying to push up again here, guys. Oh,
55 calls. August 21st, 2020. 416 contracts.
dude, I kind of want to take some Amazon calls right now, but the market needs to wake up a little bit in order for me to feel comfortable doing that. So what I'm looking at here on Amazon, guys. So we got so this is too big of a chart. So we got this compression. We got the cross already right here, and then we have to get above this resistance of the pivot line.
13 calls. January
So the
15th.
market starts taking off. This will actually turn out to be pretty nice,
500
probably.
contracts. 2020.
Oh man, are you still here, Josh?
Contracts.
Yeah, see, that's what we've always, see, that's what we've always argued is that this descending triangle is bearish, but he actually longs on it, and it sucks whenever he does it. He's actually fucking right. Like right now, like he's making money right now, and probably talking shit to me. So I don't know how that works. 3,000 calls on Tesla, or excuse me, Amazon. Yeah, dude, I like that, bro.
July 31st,
Or not, 3,000's kind of further out there, but yeah, dude.
194 contracts.
Like I said, if the market starts picking up here and starts making some moves, this will, I believe Amazon will start putting on a show, dude. That's a good rule of thumb there, James. So James said, I treat triangles and wedges as neutral and just wait for the confirmation of the breakout to choose direction. So that's a good rule of thumb to do it like that. Yeah, on the bigger time frame, it's not so bad, dude. I agree with you 100%. And it's not like this thing doesn't move in like $2 or $3 increments. You know what I mean? So, oh, there it went. It actually broke above right there, guys. So, I was right, but I just if it comes back and it's popping up and then it comes back and proves this as support here, guys. I'll get in here when it if it gives me a chance. Gosh damn it! If it comes back and holds it. Same thing with Netflix. Netflix is above the red to green line now, guys. So if it comes back and holds the red to green line, I'll get in there at that point. You took Nvidia. Good, Bags. You guys hope you guys bank on this shit. I hope the market starts going fucking wild. That'd be sick. Let's see. Nvidia. Ooh, there we go. NFX. No, I'm out. I'm out of Tesla, bro. I missed the re-ad though. I was this morning though. I was up here. I was in Tesla up here. I see that NFX, and then I also see that that 400. You got to get above that 400.
QQQ. 260 calls. July 31st, 2020. 8,348
Yeah.
contracts.
Honestly, dude, I'm kind of kicking myself in the ass not getting the calls right here on the Webull account at the pivot line.
QQQ. 260 calls. July 31st, 2020. 10,002 contracts.
I swear, if you don't get the fuck out of my room here, Dorado. Why do these guys come in here and do that?
Calls. July 29th, 2020. 503 contracts.
Now I dropped the F bomb and I'm gonna get in trouble from YouTube. Watch. Exactly. Exactly. In effect, so um, my confidence doesn't come on the trade being right. It comes from me knowing that I'll get out. Like if I am wrong, I hope that makes sense. So A lot of people struggle with that though. Oh, look, I'm getting my entry here on Amazon, guys. See if it holds this 29.35. These premiums aren't too bad.
CCL 25 calls. October 16, 2020. 1,200 INTC. 53 calls.
Exactly, dude. Exactly. NFX. Very well said. So for you guys on YouTube that aren't in the room, or actually I think you could see what NFX is writing. So that I have specific entry exit points unless I get some black swan type candle. I know how much I'm putting on the table. And that's exactly it. So like yeah, like right here on Tesla when we were talking right here, yeah, I could have got a big fuck you candle and this, just take off to the upside, right? But I know that I have my resistance right here and I know I've seen this set up hundreds of times and I know that it works. So as long as I play it correctly, I know it works. And you guys saw that I read it to you as it was happening, and I told you where it was going to bounce to. So before it happened. So just doing it over and over again, getting that repetition. No, I'm not going to. Dude, you want me to tell you when I buy it?
September 18,
I can't tell you when I buy it, bro.
3,010 contracts.
Oh, I don't know if the spy's going to get over this 320, 321. Apple puts. Oh, cool. Awesome. You just waited until it came up to the resistance? So looking pretty good here on Amazon so far. Amazon puts, no calls, brother.
IBB. 146 calls. September
Did you take your profit already, Richard?
300 contracts.
So nothing huge here on Amazon, guys. I'm just padding the wallet. So like I said, if we got this hold right here, back at the support
556
resistance area at the pivot, so bam, and then we're up like $15 or so, $17 already.
July 31st, 2020. 598 contracts.
Vámonos Amazon. Yep. Just need the market to keep on going. If the market could, if the spike could break 321, dude, Amazon will spike really nice. Amazon is the market right now. I know. Did you see that, Vinny? Big old call on the Qs. The Amazon chain, it went, the 3000 went from 600 to 7.
February 19th, 2021. 500 contracts.
I don't get what you mean, brother.
12 calls. September 18th, 2020. 2,000 contracts.
Is SMH a ticker or are you saying shake my head?
SLB. 20 puts. October 16th, 2020.
Oh,
1,926 contracts.
Nvidia? Yeah, dude. NFX is a freaking sniper. I would love to see your Trader Sync or Trader View NFX.
5 calls.
She doesn't take very much trades, but when she does, she gets these big ass moves.
Contracts.
And it's always on this like well, I mean for the ones you actually tell me, the ones that I know about, and it's always on these like little sideways compression, like not really like bottom. Your compression play is a little bit different than the way I like to see it.
60 calls. July 31st.
Yeah, there goes the spy, dude.
749 contracts.
Very, very nice, guys.
SID. 2 calls. March 19th, 2021. 800 contracts.
Amazon chain is scary. The 3000 went from 1 to 600. Doritos spam. Is your profit target the red to green line NFX?
THM. 48 calls.
Oh, you don't use that.
2020.
You don't believe in my red to green line.
Contracts. THM. 48 calls. August 21st, 2020. 500. PCG. 9 puts. December 18th, 2020. 596 contracts.
Do you mean at the open, Tyson? So like at the open it went from 600 to 7. So yeah, that'll happen, dude. Like at the open, like yeah, the option chain is definitely crazy at the open, but not right now, dude. It's these 3000s have like a 25 cent spread, like to a 50-cent spread at times. So not too bad for as big as the ticker as it is, dude.
12.
Especially on
45 puts.
expiration day.
August
So
21st, 2020. 500 contracts.
this will be another good re-ad right here on Amazon at this 29.50.
4 calls. September 18th, 2020. 1,000 contracts. PCG. 9 puts. December 18th, 2020. 2,851 contracts. TSM. 80 calls. July 31st, 2020. 1,900 contracts.
Oh, see, that's the thing though, Tyson, is that with the options, bro, you're always gonna have that initial drawdown because of the spread.
35 calls.
I was actually talking about this with someone the other day that the it's a mind fuck, dude. It's a
1,900
mind fuck because
contracts.
you're looking for a good entry, and then in your brain you should if you have a good entry you should be in profit, right? So, but it's not true in options because of the spread. So, yeah, that initial drawdown that you have when you enter it sucks. But the thing is that like we play with the rule, the walk into profit quickly rule. If your entry is correct,
September
you should eat
18th,
up that drawdown, that initial drawdown. You should eat up pretty
1,000
quick.
contracts.
I think it's breakfast time. What's for breakfast today, guys?
DOCU. 170 puts. August 7th, 2020. 250 contracts.
Jerky and banana bread. I love banana bread, bro. With some coffee. I should actually make some coffee right now. Trump breakfast. Is that what he said he eats for breakfast or what? Here we go, Spy.
PHM. 48 calls. August 21st, 2020. 501 contracts.
Butter coffee? Yeah, the keto coffee stuff or whatever, dude. That's weird, bro.
BAC. 24 puts. July 31st, 2020. 1,029 contracts.
Yeah, the previous day closed. Yeah, dude. So we got some overhead here on Amazon, guys. So we got a ways to go, to be honest. Um, so I mean, the profit target would be the first one would be the like 29.86, 29.90 area, and then for it to go. So we need the market to kind of pick up a little bit. It's going, it's just not going kind of fast. So also going to be some resistance at 29.78. Your P&L swings so much trading Amazon. It's crazy. From 6 to 1K. Uh, it's definitely rough, dude. It's that's why I won't trade Shopify, dude. The spreads on Shopify is just nuts. Even like in the equity on Shopify, and it makes so much good moves, dude. It just I don't know why that ticker in particular trades like that. If someone could tell me why, or you go tell those people to knock that shit off, I would love to trade Shopify. I got screwed for 10K on it one time though, like that. Um, the price action on Nvidia NFX hit the red to green line. I know you don't have it on your screen, so I don't know if you don't know where it's at, but it hit uh is it like 405 405.19 or something? I don't know if it is confirmed or not, dude. I didn't get any money, so I haven't been paying attention to it. I would love an extra. What is it? $2,400 now? You still holding your Amazon bags? This is holding trend really freaking nice, dude. And the entry down here was spot on right here. This cross dots. Yeah, I don't get any money, dude. Netflix? I don't even have Netflix up, dude. Oh yeah, I missed the entry on Netflix, dude. So that's what I was saying on here on Netflix, brother. So right here, when it broke above the red to green line, so you can see it's actually blue. Called the red to green line, but it's actually blue. Stupid. Um, Popped up and it's holding. It held this as support, so I gave you two chances to get in. It just has to break above this pivot right here. So yeah, you'll get a nice little candle right here if you could break this 405 area NFX. Yeah, she says she doesn't use that though. She don't believe in it. There we go. Someone on YouTube said, "Oh, Tyson, did you get those 3,000 calls on Amazon?"
SPC
Very, very nice on Amazon. Even Tesla here, guys, off of the support down here. So Tesla support came a little bit lower, tested this lower one, and it just took off of this compression here to the side. So cross compression, and that was a nice move. I don't know if Richard's still holding it if he left. Cool, Tyson. Awesome, bro. Very, very smart to paper trade, dude, before you start risking real money. Yeah, free play now on Amazon. And if Netflix is about to break up here.
IWM. 153 calls. July 31st, 2020. 2,814 contracts.
All right, so I've been getting a lot of that, Tyson. There's a few people in my room that say they do debit and credit spreads and stuff like that, and they want to day trade, the options a little bit more. That's awesome, dude. If you can make, make a living just off of doing those, that's awesome. But yeah, it's a totally different beast, dude. Totally different beast, dude. Day trading and selling premium. I give big ups to you because I don't even know where to start on the other end doing that stuff.
INTC. 52 calls. July 31st, 2020. 400. Baba.
See, and that's the thing. See here is that I feel like what you're doing is harder. So
2020.
you know what I mean? It's
2,201
I gotta
contracts.
have it fast, dude. I gotta have that like that gratification like fast. I can't be sitting here waiting a week to get my money.
mRNA.
You're out of
75
here.
calls.
You're out of here,
July 31st,
Richard. Did you make your
2020.
money?
800. KMCN.
Did you get out at the resistance line right there at the 1440?
January 15th, 2021. 99 contracts.
Good, dude. Good, bro. It looks like mostly everyone's having a really good day so far. Cool, bro.
mRNA. 75 calls. August 21st, 2020.
Exactly, dude. You know what? Like the same thing for me, James. I think you know what happened. The way that you're brought up, or the way that you're used to things in your life before. So I worked as a welding contractor, and dude, you could never work fast enough in that shit, bro. Like by the time you got so when you're getting instructions, your ass better be moving before the last word came out their mouth, dude. Like, and it sucked so bad. So oh, Richard, good hit, dude. How many contracts did you have, bro? Yeah, dude. I worked as a welder for a welding contractor just as a hand. Um, we used to so we worked on the boilers on the power plants whenever they did the shutdowns and stuff. Some good welds, yeah, dude. Like welding is an art form, bro. I always wanted to learn how to TIG weld so I could just work in a air conditioned office and just TIG weld because out there using stick and MIG and all that, like it was just bullshit. You'd go out there in the middle of the desert where the damn unit actually is the power plant. It's 120 130 degrees to begin with, and then they just shut off the damn boiler. So then you have to wear coveralls, your hard hat, your fucking all your PPE, a harness, and and then you go into the boiler where it's humid as shit, on top of it being even more hotter than that. And then it stunk. Like they used the fucking chemical shit in it, and it stunk like rotten eggs everywhere, bro. So whenever I think that I don't want to trade, or like if trading's hard, or trading sucks, I just think of going back to that shit, dude, because I ain't never doing that shit again. It's a young man's game, dude. Young man's thing, dude. I don't know if I could do it anymore.
538 contracts.
Facebook is trying to make a move right here, guys. I don't miss it all either. I have pictures and stuff from when we do that shit. Like I said, you can never move fast enough, dude. Never move fast enough. I was like 18 years old making like $30 an hour, bro. Like I didn't know where all that money went.
DDOG. 83 calls.
Does it really get that hot back there for you guys, James? They don't have no AC for you guys back there and stuff, or is it just like so many burners that it doesn't even matter? That's crazy that you guys work 12. Get out of here, Richard. Make 3K and then just bounce out like that, bro. I'm proud of you, dude. I'm really proud of you, Richard. Richard's been trading for it's coming up on a year. I think in September, it'll be a year for Richard, and I think you're consistently profitable, right, Richard?
75 clicks. July 31st, 2020. 765 contracts.
Yeah. So yeah, Amazon at 3K today. That would be awesome, dude. It's holding this trend line really, really freaking nice, dude. So my T3. So I really like it. I took profit here already. I got out just like I said, I was doing it for a scalp for some wallet patterns. So I got out already. But absolutely. Waiting for NFX to get her candle up right here. On Amazon, I would have got out on the break of the T3. I don't know where you're at on it, but
12 calls. July 31st, 2020.
yeah, this is a nice wash on the SPY right here.
And 7 calls. July 31st, 2020. 1,999 contracts.
All right, guys. I think we're gonna go ahead and cut off the YouTube here. We're about an hour in. I made my trades. I'll go ahead and just do like a quick recap on them real quick. So here on Tesla, guys, we had this kind of weak pre-market, right? So I wanted the continuation from yesterday, right here. So we had the slide off yesterday, and I wanted the continuation for it to come down. I wanted the at the open for us to get this pop up here towards this resistance line that I have drawn, the support resistance line, and we definitely got it. The thing was is that I botched the trade here. I bought calls to begin with, and then and it's funny because it actually did go up. I would have actually made money in that, but I just got out right away. And then right in the second candle about right here, this 1420, I got puts, and then I added here towards the 1430 more. I doubled my size, and then on this hammer, so I seen that that we had this resistance, and then the SPY started fading down at the same time too. So then we came down. I took a little bit of profit here on the break of the support, and then a little bit more down on the end of this candle, and then more when it started holding the actual support. So really nice play. So it was 30, like 25, 30, and then plus another 20. So $40 to $50 play right at the open was really nice. It was a big trade for me. So so I'm up and down on so down on the calls, obviously 900, up 20,000 on this coming down right here, this move down. And then on Amazon, I haven't even looked at the P&L for it. It was just like 1,000 or 2,000. Yeah, 1,200 on the entry for this to go up. So the entry right here, I got a little bit of FOMO when I seen this breaking up. I think some of you guys were already in, and it broke up here. And then I said if it comes back and holds the support, that's going to be my entry once it validates the support. And then that worked perfect. So I sold on this little push up right here, and I only had 2 contracts there, so 3,000 contracts, so they didn't really move too crazy once they got moving, and it was only 2 contracts. So just played it safe so I could keep my money that I did make in my back pocket. But so my overall profits here on the day comes out to 21,290. So good way to end the week, because we did have some yesterday. Yesterday I made like 5,000, and then the other days were like slow days, so this actually makes up a lot for it. I'll show you real quick.
Phone calls. July 31st, 2020.
So here,
contract.
oh, you're not gonna be able to see. I don't think the way that it records. Yeah, the way that it Oh no, it's right there. So this is so 21,290 on the day, guys. So thanks to Tesla. Um, does anyone have any questions on the YouTube or anything before we go on the YouTube? Yeah, Tyson, we do this every Sunday, or excuse me, every Friday. We're here trading live together. Today was a little bit slower day, bro. To be honest, a little bit slower day, like I said. So usually, we're hammering stuff back and forth and what have you, but a little bit slower day. Luckily, there was one or two opportunities, and if you want to come trade live with us on every Friday, come hang out. Sundays we do the stock cast. So we get ready, we do a watch list for the week and go over technical analysis and stuff. If you want to come hang out on Sunday at 8 p.m. Eastern time
Contract.
as well. Cool, cool. All right, guys. You guys take it easy. You guys be safe and have a great weekend. We'll see you guys on Sunday. All right.